Hello guys, I welcome you all back to our English lessons. In last class we were talking about adjectives and types of adjectives. And today we are going to talk about the comparative adjective, the degrees of comparison. What is degrees of comparison? An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degrees of comparison of an adjective. There are three types of degrees: positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Now let's read these examples. My doll is good. Your doll is better than mine. Rani's doll is the best of all. Did you all go through the examples? Okay. In sentence 1, the adjective good merely tells us that my doll has the quality of goodness without telling how much of this quality it has. Okay. In second sentence, the adjective better tells us that your doll compared to mine has more of that quality of goodness. In third sentence, the adjective best tells us that Rani's doll has the greatest amount of that quality of goodness. Thus, it is clear that an adjective undergoes a change of form to show comparison. The adjective good is said to be in positive degree, and adjective better is said to be the comparative degree, and the adjective best is said to be the superlative degree. Now let us study in detail what is positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Okay, what is positive degree? An adjective describes a single person, animal, place, object without changing its form is called a positive degree. Let's read the example. Beena is tall. Mohan is a sensible boy. Here the tall and sensible are adjective in the positive degree. What is comparative degree? Comparative degree compares two nouns with each other. It is mostly formed by adding the suffix er to the short adjectives, and more is used before long adjective. Okay, here there is an example. Neha is smarter than Neha. Smart, er is added, so smarter. And the story book is more interesting than the previous one. So here the smarter and more interesting words are the comparative forms of adjective. What is superlative degree? Superlative degree compares more than two nouns. It is mostly formed by adding the suffix est to short adjective, and most is used before long adjective. Rita is the cleverest girl in her family. This is the most expensive necklace in the shop. Here the cleverest and most expensive words are the superlative form of adjective. Now let us learn the rules to form comparative and superlative degrees of comparison. First we have comparison with er or est. Okay, we comparison with er and est. Soft, softer, softest. We use er, est with the following adjectives. Most qualities of one syllable and some of the more than one form the comparative by adding er, and the superlative by adding es to the positive. Now let us see the examples of adjectives with one syllable: positive, comparative, and superlative. Soft, softer, softest. Long, longer, longest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. High, higher, highest. When the positive ends in e, only r and st are added. For example, able, abler, ablest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Next, we have the adjectives with the two syllables ending in Y. When the positive ends in Y preceded by a consonant, Y is changed into T before adding ER or EST. Now let us see the example. Busy, Y is changed into busier, busiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Happy, happier, happiest. Y changed into I and ER. The next rule, we have the adjectives with the two syllables ending in LE. For example, simple, simpler and simplest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Next, the adjectives with the two syllables ending in OW. Okay. For example, slow, slower, slowest. Narrow, narrower, narrowest. And spelling of the adjectives using the ending er or es. When the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is doubled before adding er and est. Now let us see some more examples of this rule. Now let us see the example: large, largest and larger. What we did here, the leave out the silent A. Big, bigger, biggest. Double the consonant. Sad, sadder, saddest. After short vowel. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Change Y to I. Shy, shyer, shyest. Here Y is not changed to I. So now let us have comparison with the more, most. Adjectives of more than two syllables from the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. Let's see the example. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. We changed into more and most. Okay students, I hope that you have understood today's lesson. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.